Shawnee, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the iPad 8th generation. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's great to have you here. So yeah, so as you guys saw earlier in the video, I did unbox my iPad. I got the iPad Air. I'm sorry, my camera's doing everything, but you guys saw that I got the iPad, not the iPad Air, I got the iPad 8th generation, and this is my iPad, and I have this case, this like lilac case from Amazon. I have one of my stickers. Shout out to my shop, self-love is the best love. And you guys saw the unboxing, and this is my, you know, Apple Pencil that kind of matches it now, but I hate this case. So you guys saw that I have, hold on, let me clear all this stuff off my front screen because y'all don't need to see all that. But I have the 8th generation iPad in gold, as you guys saw. If I take it out of the case, oh goodness, it's in here tight. Wow. Oh my god, Jesus, I can't even get this out. I do hate this case. As I said, I want to get a different one. I had this case in my cart for so long on Amazon because I thought I would like it, but I hate it. This is what the iPad looks like. It's the gold, and this is what it looks like on the front. Let me get all my information. And I still have my same little Cynthia wallpaper that I made, my bald-headed hoe shit wallpaper that I made. But yeah, I hate this case because it's really tight and I can't fit my Apple Pencil in the holder with the case on it, and with the other one I could, but I do like that it's a hard plastic back there or whatever. But yeah, I got the 128 gigabyte, and the reason I got the 128 gigabyte is because I was running out of space on the other one. It was really annoying having to constantly like switch like to delete stuff, and I just recently started getting that because, like I said, I had the 32 gigabyte 7th generation, and I just recently, like a couple months ago, kept getting like, you know, running low on storage. And I have like iCloud storage too, but it's just really annoying when you're trying to work on stuff, and y'all know like I do my shop thing, so it's like working on stuff for my sticker shop and making things, and also wanting to like use GoodNotes and like all my other stuff. Like, it gets really annoying to deal with, to constantly have to feel like you have to delete stuff. So there was a deal like on Best Buy. I don't know if you guys know, but Best Buy has open box deals. So at first I wanted to get the 7th generation with 128 gigabytes, but they don't really have it anywhere. And I got my last one from Amazon, but I got this from Best Buy. It was an open box, and it was Geek Squad certified. So even though it was open box, like they certified, it had like all the things, like it had the charger, the papers, and all that kind of stuff. It was sealed up still, as y'all saw in the video. Nothing wrong with it. It's in perfect condition, so nothing to worry about. Like I said, just have more space. And of course, it's the 8th generation, so it's the one that came out in 2020 versus the 7th generation that came out in 2019. But so far I'm loving it. I've had it since I don't remember when I recorded that video, but I've had it for a couple weeks now, over a month maybe now, and I love it. I do hate that it is white, because it's white around the border, and you know, my old one was space gray, so it was black. I hate that it's white. I don't really like that anymore. I think I've gotten so used to having like the black or the dark like Apple devices that I don't really like the light colored ones anymore. But at one point I loved the light colored ones, but I just really hate it. So yeah, like I really like it. It feels great having so much more space. So if you guys want to see what's on my iPad, stay tuned, because that will be uploaded soon. And you guys will see a little bit of that. I think y'all saw a little bit of this unboxing in my vlog, I don't remember. But yeah, I definitely recommend getting the 8th generation if you need like a less expensive iPad. I always tell people and it has a home button. I know some people hate home buttons. I don't see the problem with a home button. I love home buttons. That's why I got the SE 2020, because I'm a sucker for home buttons. I don't want to use like, you know, facial recognition and all that stuff, because it just seems like confusing and too much of a hassle. So definitely recommend this. If you can't get it cheap on Amazon or something, go to Best Buy, look at the open box deals. Also, my friend Kai, shout out to Kai, she got hers the same way. Yeah, so I'm happy with it. I enjoy it. Like I said, if you guys want to see what's on my iPad, let me know. I don't know why my voice cracked like that. Okay, I don't know what happened. Something happened with my camera and it stopped recording. But yeah, if you guys want to see what's on my iPad, I will have that uploaded for you guys really soon. If you guys want to see what's on my iPhone also, I can do that for you guys. But thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.